Today's Dahlia painting turned out so amazing. I am so in love with this one. The colors, oh my goodness, the colors are so stunning. They're vibrant. It's beautiful. In today's Dahlia painting, there is Deep Magenta, Tutti Fruiti, which is a nice shade of pink, Cherry Blossom Pink, and Rose Gold. Stunning combination of pink colors, guys. Stay tuned and check out my intro for today, guys. It's going to be a little bit different. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, did you check out my intro? I hope you did. Well, tomorrow is going to be our collaboration. 5 artists, 5 females, and we will be doing technique painting just using shades of blue. Alright, that's why we call it the blues. Alright guys, so I want you to come by tomorrow. I'll be going first at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. All right guys, so please mark your calendar, set your date. You know, I'm gonna go on first. I just do hope that you guys can come by and check out. I'm gonna be leaving the other artists. I'm gonna be putting their name and their channel name along with the time of their premiere in my description box below. I'm going to be putting it in today's video because the premiere is going to be the day after, so on Saturday the 18th. All right guys, so I just do hope that you can come by and check out our premiere. All right guys, so for today's painting, so excited. Can you guys hear the excitement in my voice? I just love it. I just love the colors I'm working with today. I just had this inspiration of working with some shades of pink, and yeah, I'm just loving today's outcome. So guys, you know what, if you could just stick around to the end, I'll be showing you the wet result, close up of the wet result and the dried result. All right guys, so go ahead and check out the colors, the brand name of the paint I'll be using in the description box below. You guys can check that out in the description box. Also, how I mix my paint, I also put that in the description box below. All right guys, so as you can see, I'm just using the side of the spoon, the edge, just to swipe my paint outwards to the edge, and this helps to create a beautiful petal like. So this is how I came up with the idea of doing a 3D dahlia using the spoon swipe technique. All right guys, so this is really my baby. This is the spoon swipe technique. This is something that I came up with. A lot of other artists do use spoon to paint, but they've done it differently. This is not, you know, the way they do it. And of course guys, I really want to inspire you to try. So if you guys decide to try this technique, don't forget to wipe the spoon each time. I know you're not really seeing me wiping it but you can see each time I wipe, I do wipe it off with a napkin. So go ahead and give it a try, and I know for a fact that you guys will love it. Just make sure that you get the right consistency in the paint. The paint needs to be a little bit on the warm honey side, you know, so it should not be too thin or it should not be too thick. All right guys, so check out my previous videos, my purple dahlia or my white dahlia, where I do go more in depth telling you guys how to mix the paint. All right, so check out video number 78 or video number 72. All right guys, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate every single one of you, especially my returning subscribers, my new viewers. You know, you guys are so welcome. And you know what guys, for all my returning viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope today will be the day that you guys will do subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell. You have to hit the notification bell, hit all, so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Guys, I do have great contents to share. I'm so inspired. You know, each time I do get you know, good views or the thumbs up, it shows that, you know, people are really loving my work, and I can be able to, you know, it's motivating me to get up and create something, do something different, because we're all creators, guys. And I just want to inspire someone to just step out of your comfort zone. You know, just do something that you think you can do. All right, so I just want to inspire someone. You can watch me paint right now and you can say, you know what, that looks easy, I'm gonna give it a try. You're not gonna know unless you give it a try. All right, guys, so I've learned from watching other YouTubers doing their thing, like for instance Fiona from Fiona Art. I've done her flower dip technique. She's so amazing. Oh my goodness, she's like my mentor. I love her. So I've watched other YouTubers do their thing, guys, and yeah, they inspire me. So I'm hoping that I can inspire someone to get up and just try. All right, guys, so do enjoy today's painting. Do give me a thumbs up, like, share, all the fancy stuff. You know, this helped my channel to grow, and this helped me to put out more contents. All right, so I'll see you guys at the end for the close-up of the wet result and the dry result. Do not go away. Thank you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. Guys, check out that 3D look. The Dahlia flower is just amazing. It's stunning. You know, I have to mention that if you do decide to give this Dahlia painting a try, remember that the more layers you can add, the better it is. It will give you that 3D look. All right, so what do you guys think? The colors are amazing. I know I keep showing you guys Dahlia painting, but you know what? The different colors will actually wow you too. Won't you guys agree? I just want to try different colors using this Dahlia painting technique, the spoon swipe technique. So I don't know what color I'm gonna do next, but I am just loving. I think this is my new favorite. I think each time I do one and I'm happy with it, I say it's my new favorite. Guys, check out those petals. It looks so realistic. I just don't know. I'm just myself, I'm just amazed by this. All right, it's like magic. And this is the fluid art, this is the pour art, you know, and to know that you can create something like this without actually using a paintbrush. That's what's so fascinating about the fluid art, the pour art. This is what I love about it. You know, you can just pour paint on canvas and then just voila, you're gonna get something beautiful. All right, guys, so I want you to step outside of your comfort zone and try something different and amazing. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about today's painting, the colors. If you love the colors, I just want to know, guys, so leave me a comment in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the dried result. And here is a close-up of the dried result. It dried beautiful. I love that deep magenta and that Tutti Fruiti. That beautiful bright pink. It's like a fuchsia, so it's just beautiful. The colors are amazing, and then the shimmer from the rose gold. I know you guys can see it whenever that light hit it. That's the gold, so that's a shimmer from the rose gold. It's just beautiful. It's amazing, guys. I'm just happy. I love it. It's beautiful. All right, so let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about today's painting, and of course let me know what colors you guys want to see me do next. you know, give me some suggestions. I'm up for that. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know if you want me to try different color combinations, you know. So let me know, guys. Leave that in the comment section below. And of course, I hope you guys will stop by tomorrow, Saturday the 18th, for our premiere, 5 amazing artists. I'll be going on at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you guys get a chance to mark your calendars and come on over and watch us paint different techniques in shades of blue. All right, guys. So I will see you for my next video. Bye.